Ebe house ampa. Yeti kroba na sa ayi Ghana Azamra Ghana architects omo association.
Oh yeah.
It will be a Jimmy Draw Cathedral. Obi a Jimmy Draw.
But Oraja any the contract no ashen
dear Jai. Chiakai
an internationally acclaimed
yet one man near Chifa so it Ghana architecture whatever is omo Jimmy Draw that. Omo Jimmy Draw.
Ebia no mu fi so.
Chiakai.
Ebia just maybe. Just maybe Kwabena. Just maybe.
Mama here in this country.
Just maybe.
Mama here in this country. Say yes sir no ma good nipa ba go all the time. Nanado, ne family and friends practicing too much. And that kind of right about rap parliament, you know. I expect somebody to say there's power in this country. He's not an authority to himself.
Is he even ready to respond to the call from parliament?
In Benny Hokan, the buy, make them say, architectural association of Ghana. Dear Panama, 3x4 buildings at the moment. Where I did ever bound, I'm a Ghana, Nima Benyan, the almost side, I come out be on no crown, on with the way. Race contumely. Oh no, this is a brochure than today. I race contumely.
Our expertise.
Oh, please. Oh dear, why? What the titles I can say, sir? I'm the best economists in this country.
Expertise.
Best economists in this country. I know, man, I mean, it's here, you know. Best economists in this country. And anyway, no. I'm saying that this country, hold on. This country is not meant for a certain group of people. This country is meant for us as Ghanaians. It is idea to see. You've forgotten, eh? You've forgotten. Ibrahim Mahama fan in your makura sir, you know, insurance my friends.
Engineers and planners.
Who the MP before you?
Oh yeah. I'm saying I'm kind. Say
Ibrahim Mahama who the MP before you?
Yeah, we're here.
William Denanado in the bush for car about family and friends in John Mahama's administration. Who the hell is this people?
How many were they? Under John Mahama, not family and friends, no me say.
Deceptive people who have come to power to change the narrative and give explanations to us every minute, every second. You're right all the time. What do you mean? What do you mean? If you're in opposition, your principle is that what is right for Ghana, and we are incompetent. We are super incompetent. We are from Parliament. So be incompetent. Super incompetent.
Jenny a hand time, Kwabena.
Please.
Any a hand time.
We have a weak parliament. That is why just a minister, every time I call it the bluff of parliament. The parliament of Ghana is weak. Yes, should be a move. The issue of we are self-made, we all sat in the same class with them. We all of them, the English that they wrote, they trobe. Yeah, brainy self-made, they are exposed. That exposure, it has not been brought to bear on us as a country. Such a beautiful country being destroyed by a few people in this country. Ensure tire ponchenia, obeji war. Ensure a tire ponchenia, obeji war. I'm just asking myself. I'm just asking myself. Mimi sit down. 2 bedrooms are missing near 16,000 Ghana city. Now I buy junior one. And then a dime crown rent the crown. A bit diablo 16,000 Ghana city. 2 bedrooms, 16,000 Ghana city. I said, how person catching me?
Okay, dying rent as I buy no promise, national rental assistance.
Don't even go there into promises of this government.
100 million.
Don't go there into promises of this government. There we are promising why I think you're heaven.
And come minus is that.
I buy we no more promising why yeah. And you're heaven. And you're heaven. Yet yes, a brave woman, Ukraine, Russia. COVID and na COVID crown could the book also prescription the government should set up. President also on the reshuffle.
Hey,
President also on the reshuffle.
In the history of this country,
that's who hold ministerial position. President Adwasafo that's who host ministerial position.
Yeah.
Kodu MPA if I be yen say Dom Kwabena for Nankasa yen Ghana for now representing interest of gender ministry you see impel because your impunity is too much. The president is telling us as our face see him the eka Now open MPP here. Is that how you rule Ghana? Open Baumiana Lanchemantina could free any Kenya Japan one power now. Is that how you rule Ghana? The least thing John Mahama did, the word incompetence. Now if you are very normal. Incompetent mama. Okay, say you have never been a president before. Until you get to being a president, you don't understand the details. That's what I say. You've been exposed that. I find out who real presidency. I say you are not a official visit to Brussels and Kigali. Yeah, Kakra will treat you. You have a kid. I have a kid. In fact, me ma in your back.
No ma.
It is Adiana Yakano. It is not to serve anybody's interest.
Yeah.
Any part do na who to mu my way mo.
Yeah.
Ghana and ayeyi. Any part do na who to mu my way mo. Ghana and ayeyi.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
So it's not about family and friends. It's not about where they can do that now. No. Susukuru wana odi ma NDC John Mahama no. Sa susukuru wan pepe.
Press down.
Same measure.
Press down. Shaking together and running over.
Then tell the architects of my situation, no.
Yeah.
If they can put up this monumental building, they should go to see. If they can put it up there, I wonder the kind of architects we have. I wonder the kind of architects then we have. If they can put up this facility. Have a good morning.